The wrapper texture is very soft, and there's a hint of creaminess from FiberCreme. Hi everyone, I'm Angie Wiranata, and today I'm going to make a dessert called Kuih Ketayap. Kuih Ketayap is a type of dessert that's quite famous in several Southeast Asian countries. But my version is special because I'm using FiberCreme, high fiber and versatile powder that's also creamy and healthy. This is going to make our dessert much better. For the wrappers, we have flour, baking powder, salt, egg, oil, vanilla extract, and butterfly pea flour. For the filling, we have fresh grated coconut, sugar, brown sugar, and pandan leaves. This time we're going to use FiberCreme in a 100-gram bag, which yields about 4 to 5 portions of food. Now let's get cooking. First, we're making the filling. Here we have brown sugar. Add it into a pan. The amount is up to you. If you like it sweeter, just add more. We also have regular sugar to soften the sweetness. Yeah, not too much. Some salt to elevate the sweetness and enhance the flavor of pandan leaf, which we're adding later. Let's dissolve it with some water. Add just enough water to help melt the sugar. The sugars have all dissolved. Now we're adding pandan leaves. Tie it into a knot to bruise them and help release more flavor. Next, we have grated coconut from mature fruit, but young coconut is fine too. Then we're going to cook them all until all the water evaporates. Now the mixture is cooked through and dry. Let's set it aside and continue with the wrappers. I first brewed the butterfly pea flowers. The extract looks like this, but the color will be much lighter once we add flour. To make the wrappers, the first ingredient will be all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt, then baking powder. But this is optional. If you want the wrappers to have pores like pancakes, then baking powder is a must. Next, frying oil or vegetable oil. This is optional as well. You can skip this, but make sure to grease your pan to avoid our batter sticking to the bottom. Next, vanilla extract, just a little to avoid overshadowing the butterfly peas flavor. Yes, the flour also provides floral flavor. Mix well before we add the butterfly pea flower extract and eggs. Now I'm going to add the multi-purpose ingredient FiberCreme, which has high fiber, low sugar, and 0 mg of cholesterol. Next, egg. Lastly, the flour extract. We're not making pancakes, that's why we want the batter to be more runny, more watery. So don't be afraid to add more water to this batter. Keep stirring while adding the water gradually. To avoid lumps, pour a little amount of water first and mix well before we add more. Okay, the mixture looks good and there's no lump. And the consistency should be like this. Not too thick and can flow easily off the ladle. After this, we're going to let it rest for about 10 to 20 minutes to let the baking powder rise. Later, we're also going to heat our non-stick pan. This is the batter that's been rested. This way we can be very sure that the baking powder has risen. Now let's make the wrappers. The wrappers are done. Let's fill them up with the sweet shredded coconut that we have made. Now it's time to eat! The wrapper's texture is very soft and there's a hint of creaminess from FiberCreme. On the inside, the filling is very rich, a perfect balance of sweet and savory. Guys, got an idea on what to make next with FiberCreme? Share it in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the LNK YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first one to discover new recipes from FiberCreme. Bye bye!